everybody. This is Dr. Shevchenko from Smiles by the Sea Family Dentistry, and I've been getting some updated questions regarding Invisalign, and I will be answering those today. What are the Invisalign aligners, and how do they help me get my teeth straight without braces? So let's answer the first part first, which is what are Invisalign aligners? Actually, we Invisalign aligners, some of the patients also we refer them as clear aligners as well too. It's actually a series of trays, clear plastic trays, and they are customized to each person, each patient, for your mouth, for your teeth. So it's actually a series of trays which are built to move your teeth slowly, discreetly over time. You're going to be wearing them all the time, and they are series, so you wear one after the other until we get the desired result. So some patients, use them, or they do the treatment because their teeth are crowded, and some patients do them because they have spaces. Some patients just feel like, I just want my smile even better what it is right now. So there's so many different reasons that one could be wearing them, but they basically are series of clear trays that patient will wear them for the certain period of time until we get that desired result. And the second question is that how do they actually move my teeth or straighten them without using braces? So as I mentioned, they are series of clear trays. So each tray is built, the movements are built into those trays. So let's say somebody has crowded teeth. We take a scan for you, the trays are built for you, and then the movements are built within those trays. So you will be changing those trays after a certain number of days. Let's say you wore number one tray, and then that tray will move teeth from A to B. And then we ask you to change to tray number two, and then tray number two will take you from B to C. So we keep going like that with that series of trays from, let's say, 1 to 20. And we take the teeth from A to Z, for Z is our finish line, and they are slowly moving your teeth. They are very discreetly moving the teeth, very comfortable, a lot more comfortable than the braces. They are virtually invisible. So that's how they basically move your teeth. What are the benefits of Invisalign for adults and teenagers? So there's so many different benefits, whether actually even children as well too. It's become very popular for children to wear, younger teens to wear as well too. So young teens, adults. So very first benefit is that if somebody has, crowded teeth or there big gaps in the teeth, the one of the biggest advantages that your teeth going to be a lot more healthier. Why? Because you're going to be able to clean your teeth, brush them much better, properly. You're going to be able to floss them better. So they are healthier. Your teeth going to be a lot more healthier once they are in proper alignment. Second advantage is that, as we know, if things are not aligned well, somebody gets the sacrifice. Like think of, out of the box example, like let's take example of a car, right? Like if our tires are not in alignment, something is going to wear out. So same thing if our teeth are not aligned, so it affects your joint, it affects how your enamel wears out. And as we know, enamel is the most protective layer for our teeth. It protects the underlying substructures. So once the enamel wears out, we are really risking the second layers of your teeth to become decayed, or your gums get affected as well too. So that is the biggest advantages from healthy teeth. You're going to enjoy much healthier gums. You're going to enjoy much healthier teeth. You're going to keep them for a long time. And then other advantages that cosmetically, it really affects a lot of patients. They don't smile because they're concerned about how their teeth look. They don't smile in the pictures. They don't go out for gatherings. They are shy. They don't want to speak so much, or as I said, they don't want to take their photos because they're conscious about that. So it has a very big effect on your psychologically as well too, on your mental health and your confidence. So there's so many different advantages of Invisalign, but these are one of the main advantages of doing them, using Invisalign to correct the problems you have in your mouth, whether you are a young teen or adult. How long it takes for most of the patients to get Invisalign treatment, like finish the treatment, and also what could affect that timeline. So let's answer the first one first, that how long it can take for most of the patients. So most of the patients, the time varies. So most of the times we are able to get the treatment done under a year. I have completed personally some of the cases even in 4 months. So I tell patients that in your case, you will be done within your 6-month cleaning. Before you even come for your next 6 months, you will have healthier, straighter, much better smile. So they love that. So it could be anywhere from 4 months to a year. Like that's kind of like the sweet spot that we see. It could take a little bit longer. And now let's take up the next question, which is what affects that timeline? So, what affects that timeline is the severity of your case. Like, what that means is that is there how much crowding you have, how much spacing you have, how much of a another thing that we really correct a lot with Invisalign is the deep bite, like overlap of your teeth this way, because ideally we want to have a little bit of a overlap horizontally, a little bit of a overlap vertically, but sometimes what we call is an underbite or overbite, where teeth are pretty crowded, they're tight together. So from all that friction and the rubbing, that's where patients end up losing actually a lot of tooth structure and then also their bone as well too, and which leads to other issues, bone loss and gum recessions and all that. So cases that are like that, that can take a little bit longer for us to treat those kind of cases. So that's what basically affects the treatment length, kind of severity of your case, how much of the crowding you have, how much of a spacing you have, and how much of an underbite you have. That will determine the length of the treatment. How often typically patients change the trays, or do I change my trays? So the change times can vary based on what your dentist uses as a treatment philosophy to set up your case. So there are many different types of treatment philosophies that are actually used for Invisalign as well too. And based on that, the dentist will tell you what philosophy they used and what is the typical time that you're going to change to your next tray. It could be anywhere from 4 to 7 days. So that's what we typically see. Either you will be changing your tray every 4 days, or you will be changing your trays 5 or 7 days. How much does Invisalign cost, and what affects that fee or that price? So typically Invisalign on an average can cost anywhere from 5,000 to 8,000, 8,500. And the reason or what changes that fee structure is that based on what is the severity of your case. Some of the cases are, depending on heavy crowding or very deep bite or some other complications where, we have to extract some teeth and restore some teeth, and all those kind of like things can affect the time and also affect the treatment value as well too. So it can vary anywhere from 5,000 to 8,500 based on a couple of the things that we talked. And based on what your treatment fee is, once you have discussed and seen me or seen your dentist, and in our office there are a lot of financing options available as well too for adult patients or even for younger patients, where you could make monthly payments or things like that. So it can become very affordable. So just let us know, we are happy to help you. Our goal is to get your teeth healthy, get them straighter, give you that confidence back, and help you keep your smile forever. What should I expect as a result for Invisalign before and after? So there will be a big difference, big change, especially if you're a lot of crowding in your teeth, or you're a very severe underbite, or even sometimes patients might have some subtle movements, but they feel them. Like I have done cases, or I'm doing certainly some even now some cases where patients are like, when I ask somebody, they're like, your teeth look straight, but to me they don't look straight. When I touch with my tongue, I feel this, I feel this. When I smile, when I take photos, it bothers me. So it really also depends that what are you looking for, that I will have a discussion with you before even we start your treatment. So, let's say before, if you had a lot of crowding, I hear from patients that they're such a challenging time brushing their teeth, flossing their teeth. They almost felt like they always had some food stuck in their mouth. And, once all that is straightened out, it's a day and night difference. And patients are so happy with it because they're able to floss much faster. Their brushing is much more effective, and they're all straight, so lined up well that, again, their brushing is more effective. They feel so good about it that their teeth feel so much more cleaner because because it's effective brushing. You're removing all the plaque and the buildup a lot more effectively because your teeth are lined up well. So it's so much easier to floss. It's so much easier to brush your teeth. And yeah, patients really do enjoy the after effects. And so be prepared if you're going to be doing Invisalign, that you're going to have a very different feeling in your own mouth. And it's a very good feeling. That's what I hear from all of my patients, that I am so happy that I did this procedure. And I didn't actually expect that I will feel so good about it, beside just, looking good and being able to smile, take some good photos. And I'm able to keep them a lot more cleaner, a lot more healthier. So your gums will thank you. I kind of joke with my patients that, your gums will thank you, because you're going to be able to keep your brushing so much better and you're flossing so much better too. So those are some of the things that you're going to feel after. What are Invisalign attachments and why I might need them? So Invisalign attachments actually are little, we call them little buttons as well too. So, when patients have regular braces, they are those big metal brackets. So the Invisalign attachments are small, much smaller version of those big brackets, which were metal. So these are attachments are actually made, they're built with composite resin material, which is tooth color. So, you know, person standing a couple feet away won't even see them that you have on your teeth. So those are small little buttons that are go on the teeth, and they you might need them. Most of the patients with Invisalign do need them. It's rare that you won't need them. So 99.9% of the times patients do need them, and the reason you need them is because that's how your teeth move. So attachments are of different kind, different size, different shapes, and they go on different teeth. Not everybody going to have the same kind of attachment, same size of attachment. They're going to vary based on what we are trying to correct, whether it's crowding, whether it's spacing, whether it's a deep bite or underbite. So based on that, you're going to have different number of attachments, and they are, as I said before, they are made of like clear resin composite. So they're tooth color, not very visible at all. You will feel them with your lips, that, since you will have them in your mouth. But since you're going to be putting your liner on, your liner covers it, your tray covers it, and it's very smooth. So those clear attachments, as we said, they will be taken off. Once your treatment is complete, they are taken off, and your teeth will feel back to normal again. And then you will be wearing your retainers. So those attachments are used during the treatment time, and then they are taken off once your treatment is done. And they're pretty much done as composite filling is done, a tooth color filling is done. So they're basically bonded on your teeth, and then we remove them with very fine instruments and polish it up, and your teeth will feel normal back again. What should patients know about cleaning their Invisalign aligners during the treatment? So, as we know that hygiene is very, very important, not even when you're going through treatment, but also keeping your aligners clean as well too. So we are brushing, we're flossing your teeth, you're using some kind of a mouthwash at the same time. We want to make sure we are cleaning the trays as well too. So you want to be cleaning your trays 2 to 3 times a day. And when you wake up in the morning, you want to clean them. There are a couple different methods you can use to clean those trays. So when you're going to get your Invisalign, there's cleaning crystals, what we call them. They're little powder crystals that actually Invisalign sends with your case as well too. We give it to the patient and we tell them that use those crystals. You can use regular separate toothbrush. Make sure you're brushing them out. Any plaque that builds up or for any food accumulation that is removed as well too. You can use some cleaning tablets as well. Or nowadays, actually, something has become very popular is there's something called aligner cleaning pod, and a lot of patients actually buy them off of Amazon. And that's a little small pod, ultrasonic cleaning pod. You can put some water in it, put cleaning crystals in it, put your trays in. So I tell patients, when you're brushing your teeth, you just let your aligners be cleaned at the same time. So while you're brushing your teeth, you're flossing your teeth, your aligners, your trays will get cleaned up in that little pod. If you don't want to invest into that pod, then you can, the way we used to clean before with the toothbrush and the cleaning crystals, you can just, use, we used to use soap and water as well, to just a soapy solution and water. You can just with the toothbrush, just making sure you're cleaning it well, just light scrubbing and cleaning it out. Both do it morning and evening. Some patients like to do it during the lunchtime as well too. So making sure that you're cleaning them out at night, in the morning, and if you would like to, do clean them during the daytime as well too. Yeah, so the reason we are doing that is, we are keeping our teeth clean so we can minimize the amount of bacteria, we can avoid any gum disease or avoid any cavities during the treatment. And same thing holds true for your trays. So that's the reason why you're cleaning them, is that any buildup that happens, those plaque, the bacteria, We want to make sure they are removed fully as to your best capability. They are removed from those trays so you don't end up with cavities after. So we want to make sure you come out of your treatment with a beautiful, healthy smile and also healthy gums and healthy teeth as well too. I hope I was able to answer some of your questions regarding Invisalign. If you have any more questions, please feel free to call us. Our number is 603-926-8827. You can also visit our website, which is www.smilesbythecnh.com. And you can send an inquiry and we will give you a call back and we'll be happy to get you in our office for a consultation and help you answer your questions.